Good morning, students. Let us start with our new chapter number 10, mensuration. Now, what is the meaning of mensuration? The act of measuring or calculation of lengths, areas or volumes of given shapes and angles are called mensuration. That means to calculate the length, area or volumes of given shapes and angles are called mensuration. In this chapter, we will learn about how to find the perimeter and area of square, rectangle and triangle. Is it clear? Perimeter. The sum of the lengths of all the sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. It means to calculate length of all the sides of a figure. Now first is perimeter of a square. Now the formula to find the perimeter of a square is 4 into length of a side. Now see, this is a square. Now perimeter of a square means to find the total sum of lengths of all the 4 sides. Now see, this is 5 centimeter. Square means all the sides equal. 5 centimeter here, here 5 centimeter, here 5 centimeter, here also 5 centimeter. So, how we will find? 4 into 5 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this square. Understood? Perimeter of a rectangle. Now, the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Now see, the opposite side of a rectangle are equal. This side is 7 centimeter, then this side is also 7 centimeter. Here it is 4 centimeter, then here also it is 4 centimeter. So, how we will find? 2 into length plus breadth. L means length, B means breadth. So, 2 length is 7 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. 2, 7 plus 4 is equal to 2, 7 plus 4 is 11. So, 2 into 11 is 22 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Next, perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the 3 sides equal. So, 3 into length of a side. So, 3 into 2 is equal to 6 centimeter is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle. Understood? Next is area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Now see, the space within the boundary here, inside the boundary is called area of a figure, closed figure. Now, the area formula to find the area of a square is side into side. Now, area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Area is measured in square unit. See here, if the measure of this square is 2 centimeter, then its area is 2 into 2 is 4 centimeter. But in area, what we will do? We will write this as 4 centimeter square. Yeah, 4 square centimeter. If it is in centimeter, then we will write centimeter square. If it is in meter, then we will write as meter square as square meter. Understood? Next, to calculate the area of a figure using a square paper, the following rules are adopted. Now see, here is a square paper and here is a figure. Now what you will do to count the area of a figure, this figure. First, ignore portions of the area that are less than half a square. If in this figure any square is there with less than half a square, then ignore that part. If more than half a square is in a region, count it as one square. If more than half, for example here, more than half is given, then count it as one square. If exactly half the square is counted, take it area as half square unit. Now see, 1 unit is equal to, square unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Now let us count. How many full squares are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. That means full square 15. Then half square. See here. This is half. Then this is half. This is half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6. Half square 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now no more than half square is here and no less than half square is here. So 15 plus 3 is 18 square centimeter. This is the area of this given figure. Understood? If area is given, how to find length or breadth of a rectangle? You know what is the formula to find the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Now here see, area is given. For example, if area is 6 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter, we have to find the length. To find the length, the formula is area divided by breadth. That is 6 centimeter divided by 3 centimeter is equal to 2 centimeter is the length. In the same way, how you will find the breadth? Area and length is given. Area is 6 centimeter, length is 2 centimeter. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3 centimeter is the breadth. Understood? With this, we complete our introduction here. We will continue further in our next class.